What's good, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So today for you guys, we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra on the table. It's out for everyone to buy now. You can order it. You were able to pre-order it, but now you can buy it. You go to any shop, go online. You can literally purchase this damn device. Anyway, I have it here. It's still in the wrapping paper. I want to get my reaction of obviously the box, everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit like a reaction, or well, it's gonna be an unboxing. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's get straight right into it. So my first impressions, opening the box for the first, opening to see what the box looks like. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. And let's do a little check. There's not much play. Not much play. I mean, they've definitely used the sticky for the sides on here, but not in the top. But I mean, there's not much play. Not much play. Just a little bit. Just a little bit on this corner, but it's all right. Anyway, it's good. Anyway, this is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And look at it. This, as you can already guess, this is the black edition. This is the black colored one. And wow, the box looks absolutely awesome. Everything looks nice and feels nice and tight. Not much movement there. Not much movement. But yeah, I like the aesthetics of the box. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, when a lot of people do unboxing devices, they don't really appreciate the box. I always appreciate the box. This is the whole experience, the unboxing experience when you get a device, is the box, how it's presented. And yeah, the box is absolutely presented nicely. You got nice logo branding right at the front, which says S21. And then on the side, we just have the Samsung logo, which is right there. And then on this side, we just have the Galaxy branded name, whatever, just engraved in there. And yeah, on this side, we have some IMEI numbers, and yeah, it's pretty nice. And in the front, on the top, well, on the back, it just gives us a little bit of specs. It says Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, and then it's made in Vietnam. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's crack this box open. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh, we have broken the seal. Houston, we got a problem. Anyway, let's have a look. I'm very excited. I've got my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here, so we can kind of compare and see, you know, and see. Right. Woohoo! Oh, okay. Well, Samsung has changed their design. Normally you open the box and inside the lid of the box is actually the quick start guide and the SIM injector tool and all that hidden in there. So I wonder where they put that actually. So as you can see, we have the phone right in front of us, just presented right there. Whew, absolutely stunning. Well, let's lift this up. I don't want to look at the back just yet, because I know the back is the main thing of this phone, and then the color as well. I don't want to do it to myself. Anyway, let's put that aside. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, in the box, oh, okay. That's new. That's certainly new. So you open up the phone, you take the phone out, and you kind of do this, and everything is just in here. Nothing else in the box. As you can see, you got that SIM injector at the back there to obviously swap out SIM cards and stuff like that. But yeah, in here I'm guessing is all you need essentially for charging the phone and all that stuff. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Okay, interesting. So we got your quick start guide, which is pretty cool. You got that over there, and then you obviously got your warranty card as well, which is right there. looks good. And that's pretty much what's in the box. And then we got the USB-C cable, which is right there. It's in this nice, you know, it's in this nice kind of cardboard just wrapped around, which is very, very nice, as you can see over there. It's very, very nicely packaged. They packaged it a lot more, way more better than Apple actually do with their devices. But yeah, that is very, very nice. I do really like that. Anyway, so let's draw our attention more to the device now, because that's what we're here for. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm excited for. Anyway, let's grab this. Ooh, there we go. Let's just put this aside. Put my unboxing knife aside. Wow, cold to the touch. Looking at it, I can already tell it's a lot more thicker than my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Just get it out of the case. Yeah, you can definitely know. Actually, you can definitely notice the thickness of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with the thickness of the S20 Ultra. Don't know if you guys can spot the difference there, but that's it there. That's the size difference with the S20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. That's the size difference right there. But yeah, the S20 Ultra is a lot more thinner than the S21 Ultra. But yeah, let's go ahead and peel all this off. Oh my goodness, that black. Woo! And the black on the camera piece. Oh my god. Wow. That's like jet black. That looks absolutely insane. Now let's get rid of this side protector, foil protector. Alright, let's just open that. There we go. What's that? This side. Wow, this literally looks like everything that we've talked about. All the renders, literally everything. It just looks absolutely insane. I really cannot get over the back color. I legit can't get over it. It just looks absolutely insane. It's just absolutely awesome. And look at that, the metal on the side. You see the way it just curves into the camera. That's just a work of art. Look at that. The side metal, the black bit, the way it just curves in and just takes the frame of the camera. It's just absolutely awesome. I mean, it does make the phone look a little bit more thicker on that side, but I mean, it is what it is. And then the camera module, wow, it's just absolutely awesome. I mean, the black color is just something. It's just something to die for. It just looks absolutely insane. Let me just boot it up while we have a look around the device. Wow, absolutely awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Woo! Oh my god. I mean, it doesn't even look like a Galaxy device at all. It doesn't look like a Galaxy device. I mean, it's quite hefty. I'll tell you guys that now. It's quite hefty. It's quite heavy. But I mean, the amount of technology that's been packed in this it pays off for it being heavy. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's just absolutely awesome. Anyway, oh wow. Have a look. That's the welcome screen over there. Absolutely insane. Anyway, looking around the device, we have the volume up and down and the lock button on the side over there. And I believe it's a little bit more thinner than the Galaxy S20. No, is it? Oh wow, never really noticed that. It's just slightly thinner. It's slightly thinner than the Galaxy S20 buttons, but not really much of a difference. But yeah, that's it. And then up top we have the speaker grills as well. It's quite a tiny speaker grill. It's a very small speaker grill, smaller than this one. And then at the bottom, oh wow, they actually relocated where the SIM tray is. They relocated it to the bottom. That is pretty damn sick. So as you can see, you got your SIM tray. You got your mic at the bottom, and then you got your speaker grills over there as well. And then in the middle, you have your USB-C female port to charge up the device, and that's pretty much it. That's awesome. I didn't know that. I didn't know they moved the SIM tray over to the bottom. That's really nice. That's very good. I really like that. Yeah, that is pretty damn cool. But yeah, like I said to you guys in one of the videos that I did between the phones, this has more of a flatter screen. But looking at it with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it pretty much looks like the same curvature of it literally looks like the same curvature. But one thing I do notice is the chin and the head is a lot more thinner, which is really nice. That's really good. But yeah, camera module looks absolutely stunning. I can't wait to actually like take pictures with this. Hopefully hopefully the 108 megapixel on this is better than that, because honestly, for how much you're paying and how much hype they've obviously spoke about this camera, I'm very excited. Anyway, let's just peel the screen before we do a little wow, what can I say, guys? It legit does not. Oh wow, I just noticed the screen protector is on top. Another screen protector that Samsung puts on the phone from factory. That's just insane. That's awesome. But yeah, that's absolutely awesome. That's the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. We'll be reviewing this, maybe a camera test, I'm not sure, but it just depends. But yeah, the phone just feels so nice, so premium. Oh my god. Whoo! Oh my goodness. Also, one thing to actually notice, I just noticed as well, is the top of the screen has less of a curve than this. So the top of this is more curvier, but this one isn't, as you can see right there. The top of it is less curvier than the S20 Ultra. I mean, I don't know what to think about that. It kind of gives me S10 Plus vibes. I wasn't really a fan of the S10 Plus vibes because of how kind of boxy the edge of the phone was. But yeah, guys, that's been your boy, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, unboxed right here on the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing something very special with this. Maybe not special, but I mean, you're gonna have to see. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smack that like button. Please smack the like button, because it really helps me out. And also subscribe and share the video. And yeah, comment down below and tell me if you like the phone, if you're gonna get it, or if you're looking forward to actually picking up one of these devices. But yeah, anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.